Snapping taps. Now, nobody likes snapping a tap in a machine shop. That being said, I still see so many people holding their taps in a standard collet holder. Even though that misalignment, when you're going more than like half times D worth of thread, is going to cause excessive wear and breaking taps. Stay on this video to go over one of the solutions I see saving customers money, improving their thread quality, and reducing their tooling costs, as well as reducing their spindle time. If you're interested, keep watching. I'm on the EMUGE website and they have a wide variety of holders in their tapping selection. I'm going to show you a little bit of a video that goes over this. Let's review it together. I'll point out the things that matter, and this quick change system is going to be there, and some of their other solutions as well as flushing the taps with coolant. How many people have opened the door to their machine to pull out a bird's nest? I know I have. Okay, so let's have a look at this EMUGE Soft Synchro Quick Lock and some of the versatility that comes with it. So you can see they've got the quick change there, which is always beautiful. And they've also got their standard square lock collets as well that'll quick change in and out on this system. Whether, like they're saying, you're going into those reduced places, you've got the extended taps, but this technology inside is really what makes this holder worth it. It's also why it's a bit of an investment. It's definitely worth it though. Every single ROI I've done has been worth it for this holder so far. Just the speed, whether it's a through coolant tap or the way that they have the flushing disc working there, reducing the amount of tool spots you have. If you've got a 20 carousel, but you've got 5 sizes of taps to do, this is a great solution. The coolant flush disc is available on all of their holders for the record, not just the quick change. It really helps keep those bird nests off of the taps, as well as getting that coolant right where it needs to be. Such a great system. All right. Thanks for checking that out with me. These tools I see saving the most money when you're at that 3/8 or smaller. They are available for metric or for imperial shanks. One thing I want to let you know is to watch what shanks you're getting your adapters for. If you're doing a DIN shank adapter, but you buy an ANSI shank tap or vice versa, you're going to have a little bit of a downtime. So always check your shank sizes. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.